ass cap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like, oh yeah.
Look at her mama, man, look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're here with
Adam.
So he gonna get coils. Let's turn him on. Oops. Y'all see his hair. He just took some out, but y'all know he like an NPC. Like he have the same uniform every day. Literally.
Bro, my TikTok order plan, bro. I don't see it no more. How do I check my package?
Go.
Oh. It say delivered on March 16th.
Oh, you didn't get it? You look in your mailbox.
Wait.
Sorry guys, right now we're taking out his coils because the top of his
Just
lock.
comb them out. I don't have, I'm gonna lock my hair.
Huh?
I'm gonna lock my hair.
For real? You really should. I've been told you that. You gonna start them right now?
No, like after prom. I don't want to go to prom with like a new thing.
Yeah, you trying to go to prom looking like I usually am.
I'm saying, man.
So what you gonna wear for? What color you gonna wear for prom?
It's gonna be like a emerald green and then black and gold.
Wait, green, black, and gold. Okay, okay, I can see that.
I'm gonna show you the picture. This is what it look like.
Okay,
And I'm gonna have gold shoes.
You got sweet garlic. That sounds good.
Girl, I got the sweet garlic, the seafood boil. Girl, this seafood boil is the best seafood boil.
It's better than juicy crab.
It's better. Better.
Do it have? Ooh, period. Not even English. It's that good. It's that good.
That thing was so good.
Wait, do it have like little garlic pieces at the? Not garlic or onion pieces at the bottom, like juicy crab? Or it's just like oil?
No,
Yeah.
Maybe like a garlic butter sauce, like they made it.
But do they have pieces in it?
But I don't think it was onion though.
Not onion, I meant garlic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, period. Cause I like that.
You like to pick
Yes, it's so good. Okay, so we're gonna do a Q&A with my client.
Mm-hmm.
And the first question for right now is gonna be, if you could have any superpower, what would it be?
It would definitely be like hearing. I like hearing, like, because people like talk a lot. So like.
So you want to like hear conversations when you're not around?
I want to be nosy, bro. Like, I want to know what really be going on.
So you messy, or you want to like?
Nah, I just want to know the real, like, truth.
For me, I think my superpower would be like I could like snap and make anything happen, like right now.
Yo, that hurts, bro. What's up?
I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get done.
Don't be rushing because you was late.
Let's not tell my business in my video, please.
What I'm saying, bro.
It's not my fault. It's the Uber fault. Y'all know why I call my Uber and the man cancel on me. Then the Uber will go up to $50 to get to work. I had to call my dad because I have good customer service. It's like a one-time.
I'm finna give you a bad review.
What?
So you gonna hurt me because of that?
No, I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm gonna give you a good experience. Then I'm gonna block you.
Wow.
Period. Client fired. I'm just like. I'm just kidding.
I'm finna run off on a hairstylist.
What? And we finna be chasing you, all three of us. And you gonna be bald. We finna cut your hair. When we catch you.
That's how bad it is.
Yeah, you finna be at prom with a bald head, with a skin head.
I'm gonna have a hat on.
Have like a fedora on.
Yeah,
I could see you.
One of them little rich hats. You just hurting me, bro.
Okay,
You taking
I'm sorry. The pain is
nothing.
temporary. Pretty hurts. Read it when I get home. And my Shein package for spring break came, and it came in a box. That's how you know I spent some money. This summer I wanted to go on a cruise because like 2 people is $1,000.
Man, what's up, bro?
Adam, you such a pretty boy. Like, it's okay. I'm finna wash it. It's finna go away anyway.
Damn,
Okay, y'all, we're finna
damn,
wash
I look
his
a little
hair.
rough.
Yeah, yeah, it do. Oh my god, it's not focused. It's okay. We're finna wash his hair, guys.
Yeah, you just knotted my hair up.
Where?
You just knotted up by shaking it all together. I can't get my hand through it now.
Cause your hair is nappy.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay, y'all, we're finna wash his hair. We're gonna be back.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you when I'm off there?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Okay, guys, my client has a brand. This is a ha for me. So, guys, this is my client's brand. Okay.
It's all there, boy.
Yeah.
Come shop me out.
Period. What's the price and what's the brand name?
Sinclair.content on Instagram. The
Okay.
sweatsuit is $100. If you buy, it's a bundle price. So pants 50, sweater 60, bundle price only $100. Come shop me out, boy.
Period. Support a black business. I can make the dope thread. I'm a pack mover. I'm a weight loser. I can my check. You better come correct. You ain't cute, P? Okay, bet. Send it. Baby, we hooping. Sure, in this video, y'all gonna see like a boy take more pictures than you. Literally. Oh my god, like for real. Stop making that face.
I just helped you.
Thank you so much.
Doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
So y'all, we're gonna iron his hair.
You gonna curl it? You gonna curl it?
He's too excited, y'all. He's too excited.
You a little piece right here, man, please, bro.
I mean, he already got his.
He damaged.
Yeah.
Part two, I'm gonna step out, he gonna step in the bottom side. Let's go.
Okay, Adam, if you've been stuck.
What's up, TB?
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you?
So, guys, we're back. We're like 75% done. Hold you right now. Like I said, he got coils for his prom style. The question is, if money was not a factor, what would you do with your free time?
I still like going outside and shit though. So it's like I wouldn't be up in the house not doing shit. I'd probably be up in the gym, but yeah, I'd probably be up in the gym more often.
Okay, cool. For me, cause I know hair like equals money. So if money was not a factor, I'm not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't do hair as often. I would probably read more.
Read.
Yes, I've been reading books, but I don't be having time. I'll probably read more and do more YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. I don't be having time, and I would definitely go outside more. But outside be costing too much for me. You think so?
Oh yeah, it do cost a lot.
Especially in London, you gotta Uber everywhere.
Oh, you get a car. You make enough to get a car.
I know. I'm trying to get a car, but like, it's a lot. Like, what advice would you give to your younger self?
I would tell myself enjoy my childhood. Cause like I feel like growing up being like, oh yeah, I gotta get this, I gotta get that. Like as you trying to provide for yourself.
Like trying to do what for yourself?
Provide for yourself, like trying to make your own money, get in the game.
Excited to get older so you can like start.
Yeah, so that you can like trying to make steps while you're younger, so that you can have money when you're older. I just tell myself to make sure I live my childhood and have fun, cause the money gonna come.
Right.
It's not a rush.
The time gonna come.
You know what I'm saying?
For me, I would say don't care what people think. Cause y'all know I'm tall.
But they said I never gave a fuck what a bitch said.
Period. It's gonna be how much I believe. Yes, cause like when I was little, I was super tall and I used to have locks. And people used to think I was a boy. I used to like be self-conscious and stuff. But now I'm about it. I'm trying to be like everybody else, girl. Be yourself.
Who?
My younger self. Like 8th grade, middle school self. Definitely, girl, be yourself.
You just talking a lot. My shit talking about something.
I did. My bad. Okay, what's the next question? What makes you passionate and keeps you motivated? What's your answer?
My family.
Your family?
Yeah, I be like, it's like me and my brothers and shit, like trying to get successful and shit, but we also keep a competition, like to give us a reason to keep going.
Yeah, like
love for each other. Then like your family, you know, you want to provide for your family, be that nigga that like pay for everything.
Exactly.
Make sure everybody else straight. Like, that's your motivation. Your family should be your motivation.
For me, my motivation would definitely be like me in the future. Like, I want to look back and be like, dang, like I did a lot when I was younger. So now, like, I'm like 40, I can just chill.
40, old ass boy.
And my other motivation, definitely my family, because I feel like my family definitely works hard, and we all have like a entrepreneurship mindset. And I'm gonna be the one that like made it in the entrepreneur realm and be the first millionaire. And I want my great grandkids to be like, oh yeah, I live this way because my great grandmama, like she did her biggest one. What is your biggest pet peeve?
I mean, bro, I just hate stupidity.
Like you can tell they didn't think before they did.
Yes, bro. Ain't okay. I do a lot of it though, and I hate it because I do it on purpose. Them niggas really do that shit just to do it. Like, and like don't even know it. They be. I'm saying, bro. That shit blows my mind, bro. Mine
is when I can hear the inside of people's mouth when they eat, bro. Not even that, but like if you're eating and I can hear like, yes, that is irritating. And probably dumb people or people that like people that like think they better than people, like
some bougie people.
Not really. People that like put other people down and be like thinking that they better just cause like some simple shit.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.